Hello, in this video I want to show you how to activate a G-SYNC for any monitor that does support it. And to do this, first you will need to click on the pop-up right here in the bottom right corner of your Windows. In this case I'm using Windows 11. Then find your NVIDIA GeForce Game Ready drivers, whatever it might be called, just the NVIDIA GeForce Experience. We want to right click on it and navigate to NVIDIA Control Panel. Then let's make it full screen and go for the where was it? Set up G-SYNC, and now we can find apply following changes. Enable G-SYNC, G-SYNC compatible, and you can enable it for the full screen or enable it for windowed and full screen mode as well. And that is basically how you activate it. Only thing left to do is to find the control button on your screen. In this case I have the LG Ultra Gear. I also have the software which looks the same as OSD on that monitor, and now we just want to navigate to the adaptive sync VRR FreeSync G-SYNC compatible and just put it on basic or extended or whatever settings you have. Just don't put it on off, which will disable it. And that is basically how you enable G-SYNC on any monitor. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.